Today, we're diving into a critical topic that affects millions worldwide: immigration law. Whether you're thinking about a career in law, exploring how immigration works, or just want to know your rights, this video has everything you need. So let's get started. What is immigration law? Immigration law refers to the body of law that governs the movement of people across borders. It regulates who can enter, reside, and become a citizen of a country. Each nation has its own set of rules, often influenced by international agreements, domestic policies, and the political climate. Immigration law covers everything from visa applications and deportations to refugee status and citizenship. How does immigration law work? Immigration law works through a combination of national and international systems. Countries have immigration agencies responsible for enforcing laws and regulations, such as the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS in the United States, or the Home Office in the UK. These agencies issue visas, handle applications for residency and citizenship, and enforce deportation when necessary. Immigration law often involves a legal process where individuals or families submit applications to live or work in a different country. These applications are reviewed based on various criteria like employment, family connections, humanitarian reasons, or investment opportunities. The laws also dictate the steps necessary for temporary or permanent residence and eventually citizenship, if that's the goal. Why is immigration law important? Immigration law is crucial for multiple reasons. First, it plays a key role in controlling national security by managing who can enter a country. It also supports the economy by bringing in skilled workers and allows for family reunification, contributing to social stability. In times of conflict, it provides a framework for asylum seekers and refugees to find safety. Moreover, immigration law helps maintain a nation's sovereignty by giving countries the power to decide who can enter and under what conditions. Without these laws, nations would have little control over their borders, which could lead to issues related to overpopulation, underemployment, and even crime. Examples of rights guaranteed by immigration law. Immigration law doesn't just control who enters and leaves, it also guarantees certain rights. For example, immigrants, both documented and undocumented, have the right to due process. This means they cannot be deported without a legal proceeding. Immigrants also have the right to work in many cases, provided they have the necessary authorization. In some countries, undocumented immigrants may still access essential services like emergency health care or public schooling for their children. Refugees and asylum seekers have the right to protection from being returned to a country where they face persecution. Citizenship laws often include rights like voting, access to social services, and the ability to travel freely with a national passport. Now, let's look at some career opportunities in immigration law. If you're interested in this field, here are some roles to consider. 1. Immigration lawyer. Immigration lawyers represent clients in visa applications, green card processes, asylum cases, and deportation defense. The national average salary for an immigration lawyer is around $85,000 per year, though it can vary based on location and experience. 2. Paralegal or legal assistant in immigration law. Paralegals assist immigration lawyers by preparing forms, drafting documents, and conducting legal research. The average salary for immigration paralegals is approximately $55,000 per year. 3. Immigration consultant. Immigration consultants provide advice on visa applications, work permits, and residency options. They are not lawyers, but they help navigate the complexities of the immigration system. The average salary for immigration consultants is about $50,000 per year. 4. Caseworker for nonprofits. Nonprofit organizations often hire caseworkers to help immigrants and refugees with paperwork, housing, and employment. Salaries for caseworkers range from $40,000 to $50,000 per year, depending on the organization and location. 5. Policy analyst in immigration. Policy analysts evaluate the effects of immigration laws and make recommendations for changes. They often work for think tanks, governments, or NGOs. The average salary for a policy analyst in this field is around $70,000 annually. 6. Interpreter or translator. Interpreters and translators work closely with immigration lawyers and courts, helping non-English speakers navigate legal proceedings. Their average salary is approximately $60,000 annually. So, what skills do you need to succeed in immigration law? Here are a few key ones. 1. Legal knowledge. Of course, understanding immigration laws, policies, and regulations is crucial. Immigration laws are constantly evolving, so keeping up with changes is essential. 2. Communication skills. Whether you're an immigration lawyer or a paralegal, being able to explain complex legal issues to clients who may not be familiar with the law is vital. Many clients may also not speak English as a first language, so clear, concise communication is key. 3. Cultural sensitivity. Working in immigration law means interacting with people from all over the world. Being culturally aware and sensitive to different backgrounds will help you build trust with your clients. 4. Attention to detail. Immigration forms and applications require precision. Any errors can lead to delays or even denial of an application. Having a keen eye for detail is a must. 5. Problem-solving skills. Immigration law often presents complex cases, especially involving asylum seekers or deportation defenses. You'll need strong problem-solving abilities to navigate these challenges and come up with effective legal strategies. 6. Empathy and patience. Immigration cases are often emotionally charged. People may be separated from their families or facing uncertain futures. Empathy and patience are essential qualities to help clients through these difficult times. To wrap things up, immigration law is a fascinating, challenging, and highly rewarding field. It's more than just understanding the law. It's about helping people navigate some of the most important decisions of their lives. Whether you're passionate about social justice, interested in global affairs, or just looking for a meaningful career, immigration law offers numerous opportunities to make a difference. There's also a growing demand for immigration law professionals, especially as global migration trends continue to rise due to factors like conflict, climate change, and economic disparity. So if you're considering a career in immigration law, the timing couldn't be better. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested. And if you have any questions or want to see more content on legal topics, drop a comment below. See you next time.